Super funsies.
It's super funsies. We brought the fun. Yeah, look at this cracked clay soil, man. Whew. That is soil with a lot of clay.
That's actually why I like riding bike parks a lot.
Right, yeah.
I can climb the service road.
Ah, yes, right, totally. Yep.
And then downhill the trails.
Yep, totally.
That's kind of like my favorite way to ride.
Yep.
All you can do is mountain bike ride, get the beach, climb the road. You got something to descend on single track.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, so we're saying similar style.
Yep.
Yeah.
What's the cardinal rule of mountain bike trail design? Never descend the road.
But people still do.
Yeah, they're called gravel riders, dude.
Oh, it's so true.
It's so true. It's so true.
That's so fun. I never thought about that.
Don't get me started on gravel riders.
I just ordered a
We're in
gravel
mixed
bike.
company.
I just ordered my gravel bike. It's all rigid. I mean, it's basically like a beefed up road hand cycle, basically.
Nice, dude.
I'm gonna hit it harder next time.
Here's another one coming up. There it is. Yeah, buddy. Too much traction, bro. Okay, we got a little descent here. Nice, Will.
That's fun.
Yeah. Yeah. It's been, dude, the spring was so wet. It was just non-stop.
That's gonna be forever.
Yeah.
You want to throw some rocks there?
But we brought that in. That the rock was added.
Yeah, I'm saying more rocks.
Oh.
It's a full, like, rock garden.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be fun. Well, got to keep it aMTB 1 though.
That's fine.
Okay.
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 We can just switch cameras too.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we're good, I think, for a little while until it barfs again. This is a fun section. Yeah, yeah, I got it on. Boop. Yeah, buddy, work it. Yeah, nice. Yep. Yeah, buddy. sneaky on you, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, bring the heat, JPM. Yeah, let's take a stop. Hey, Will. Oh. Well, it's a nice little viewpoint. We'll hit it on the way up. We'll hit it on the way up.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Sorry to wreck the flow, bro.